Welcome to the CNC Machining program at Northeast Tech's Claremore campus. This program is designed for high school students who want to explore the world of precision manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which means students learn how to use computers to control machines that cut, shape, and create metal and plastic parts with incredible accuracy. From lathes and milling machines to machining centers, students gain hands-on experience turning digital designs into real-world products. Through a combination of classroom instruction and lab-based projects, students also learn foundational skills such as reading blueprints, setting up machines, using cutting tools, and practicing safe shop procedures. They develop problem-solving, technical, and critical thinking skills that prepare them for real-world manufacturing careers. Graduates of the program are prepared for a variety of jobs in the manufacturing industry, including as a CNC lathe or mill machinist. Your future in precision manufacturing starts here. Enroll in Northeast Tech Claremore's CNC Machining program today.